So let's start with conditions. Now the conditions we're going to talk about is the if statement. Now the way the if statement works is you put a condition within brackets. So for example, using PHP syntax, what we're going to do, we're going to assume that we have a variable called age, and age was 18 for example, and we're going to test if it's less than 30. Now if that condition is true, then it will do something. That means it could print to screen age. Now to do that in PHP, you type echo and then $age, and all it's going to do, if this condition is true, it will print the age to the screen. But if it's false, what it will do is we say echo 30 be false. So we can make that statement. Now it's okay if we only have one line statement here, but if we had two statements, what we'll do, we'll need to do it in a block, a code block I call it. So we need to do it wrapped around these two curly braces, open curly brace and a closed curly brace. Now that might be echo something else, it could be like hi or whatever, and then it will do two lines. So if you've got two lines, we need to wrap them in building blocks. But if it's one line, you don't need these code blocks if it's only one line. So the if condition, we can add two if conditions in one, so we can embed them in each other. So we can have another if condition and we can say age equals 30, like that. So if age is less than 30, but we can also do another test. Now I know it's not very effective, we could easily have done this and that could have meant the same thing, but here I'm just demonstrating that you can actually, you know, embed if statements one in another. You can have another if statement and so on. You could just keep on doing that. The other way of doing things, you can also use else statement. So not only if you can use if, you can also do else. If something else is true, then do something else, and you can keep on doing these blocks on and on and on. Or you could just simply, if this is false, always print this. So the choice is yours, and it really depends on the type of application that you're building.